Matter of fact, hey, check her phone right now. Hey. Hey.
What's up?
It's my friend.
That's your friend?
Yes.
This is a good restaurant.
Hey, well, tell him, hey, come on, bro. You gotta check her phone, bro. Check each other's phone.
Ja, we gaan checken zijn phone.
Come on. Loyalty test, real quick. No. She give you yours.
Okay.
I know you're not cheating, bro.
He's not cheating.
I'm not cheating.
He's a good guy.
Exchange photos. No, he's not cheating. I know that. I know him. We grew up to the same Denmark school.
Very cool.
Okay.
Ja, dat is
Yup. Check each other's phone. Let's see if you go to the DMs, bro. You gotta go to the DMs, man.
Nothing.
All right, messages. There's nothing in the messages either.
Nothing.
Nothing.
A good girl.
A good girl.
The best girl in the world.
All right. Never mind. My fault about that. My fault. Chat. So, hey, chat. I'm just trying to help him out. You feel what I'm saying, chat? I don't know, y'all. I just tried to help him out. But it seemed like she's not cheating. She gave me the tongue. Seems like she's not cheating, bro.